Pop quiz. A bakery sells muffins for $3 each. Each muffin costs $1 to make, and monthly fixed costs are $4,000. About how many muffins break even? A. 1,333. B. 2,000. C. 4,000. Or D. 12,000. Lock in your choice. We'll check the answer soon. In this video, you will learn what break even means, how to use the formula and the graph, work 2 examples, avoid common traps, and end with a quick checklist you can reuse. Break even is the output level where total revenue equals total cost, so profit is 0. Separate fixed costs like rent and salaries from the variable cost per unit. Then compare that to your selling price. The difference, price minus variable cost, is the contribution margin per unit. Break even in units equals fixed cost divided by the contribution margin per unit. On a graph, total cost begins at the fixed cost level and rises with the slope of the variable cost per unit. Total revenue begins at 0 and rises with the slope of the selling price. Where these lines intersect is the break-even point. To the right, you are in profit. To the left, you are in loss. Let's go back to the bakery question. The contribution margin per muffin is $2. Break-even units equals 4,000 divided by 2, which is 2,000 muffins. If you chose option B, you nailed it. Break-even sales dollars equal 2,000 times 3, which is $6,000. Every muffin after that adds $2 to profit. A common mistake is dividing fixed costs by selling price, which ignores what each unit costs to produce. Always divide by price minus variable cost, the contribution margin per unit. Keep units straight, dollars per unit in the denominator, dollars in the numerator. Quick recap. You can define fixed and variable costs, compute contribution margin per unit, and use it to find break-even units and break-even sales dollars. Curious how much you're remembering? Your personalized practice test, flashcard set, and study guide are all waiting for you. Just tap the link now and keep watching. Future you will thank you. Let's apply what we know to this new case. A sticker shop sells packs for $8 with $3 variable cost and $12,500 in fixed costs. The margin is $5, so break-even units are $2,500. If the shop runs a sale at $7, the margin drops to $4 and break-even jumps to $3,125. Lower price means you must sell more to reach 0 profit. Here are 2 details to watch out for. With multiple products, use a weighted average contribution margin based on your sales mix. Break-even describes bundles of that mix. If the mix shifts toward lower margin items, actual break-even rises. Step fixed costs are another twist. When you expand operations, say add a new location or a new machine, fixed costs jump to a new level. Recompute break-even for each step. Let's go through this together. First, list fixed costs. Second, compute contribution margin per unit as price minus variable cost. Third, divide fixed cost by the margin to get break-even units and round up to a whole unit. Fourth, multiply that by price for break-even sales dollars. And fifth, test a what if by changing price or cost and recomputing. To recap, break-even is where total revenue equals total cost. Use fixed cost divided by contribution margin per unit to get units. Then multiply by price for sales dollars. Price cuts or higher variable costs shrink the margin and push break-even farther out. Ready to quiz yourself with the content covered in this video? Check out the link in the description, where you'll find Quizlet content made just for you.